Harbor pilots play a key role in ensuring the safe navigation of ships entering and leaving ports. Their experience and qualifications are invaluable, especially in challenging conditions. One of the most dangerous tasks they perform is boarding a moving ship during a storm. In this video, we look at the threats pilots face in these situations, focusing on the physical factors that make the task extremely dangerous. In stormy conditions, the sea is often characterized by rough waves and strong gusts of wind. This turbulent sea environment creates an unstable platform for a pilot boat to accurately approach a large vessel. The sudden movements of the sea and vessels can cause the pilot boat to be thrown unpredictably, increasing the risk of collision or capsizing. High winds add to these difficulties. Gusts can throw the pilot boat off course, making it difficult to align with a gangway or a gangway extended from the vessel. In addition, strong winds can destabilize the harbor pilot at critical moments of transfer from the pilot boat to the ship or vice versa. The pilot gangway itself, often the only means of boarding a vessel, presents a significant risk of injury or fall. Boarding a moving vessel in calm seas is already a physically demanding task. In stormy conditions, the physical risks are multiplied. The pilot must climb a gangway that can sway violently due to the motion of the ship and the effects of waves and wind. Wet and slippery surfaces further increase the likelihood of slipping and falling, which can result in serious injury or even death if the pilot falls into the sea or onto the deck. In stormy conditions, the vessel's movements, including roll, pitch, and sway, are amplified. These unpredictable movements require the pilot to maintain exceptional balance and grip while performing the difficult task of moving between boat and vessel. The physical strain associated with performing these maneuvers under stressful conditions can lead to rapid fatigue, reducing pilot efficiency and increasing the risk of accidents. Pilot experience is particularly important in extreme environments such as glacial waters, where the combination of ice, cold, and difficult navigational conditions present unique hazards to the pilot boarding a vessel. In the video, we see a pilot boarding a moving vessel in extreme winter conditions, presumably off the coast of Hailuoto, Finland. It is a breathtaking moment that demonstrates the skill and precision of the pilot performing this adrenaline-pumping operation. The main danger in glacial waters is the presence of ice. Large icebergs and small but equally dangerous chunks of floating ice can pose a significant threat to both a pilot boat and a large vessel. Navigation in these icy waters requires careful attention and precise maneuvering to avoid collisions. Ice can damage a ship's hull, leading to potential breaches and water ingress, which can be catastrophic in such cold conditions. The process of boarding a vessel in glacial waters requires careful planning and execution. The pilot boat must navigate through ice-covered waters to reach the vessel. Not only do large icebergs have to be avoided, but smaller underwater chunks of ice can be just as dangerous. Once ashore, the pilot must transfer from the pilot boat to the moving vessel. This is usually done using a pilot ladder, which can be particularly dangerous in icy conditions. Ice can make the ladder slippery, increasing the risk of falling. Despite these serious issues, there are measures that can be taken to reduce the risks faced by port pilots. Thorough training and experience are paramount, enabling pilots to develop the skills and confidence needed to operate in adverse conditions. Effective communication between the pilot and the ship's crew is essential to coordinate safe transits. Technological advances also play a role in improving safety. Stabilization systems on pilot vessels reduce the impact of waves, and real-time weather monitoring helps pilots make informed decisions about the best time to land. In addition, proper safety equipment, such as life jackets, helmets, and harnesses, are critical as a last line of defense against the elements. Boarding a moving vessel in a storm is one of the most dangerous tasks facing harbor pilots. The combination of environmental concerns, physical risks, and psychological stress creates a dangerous situation. However, through careful training, effective communication, and the use of advanced technology, these risks can be controlled.